Hey, how's it going everyone? My name is Mario. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to improve your poster designs with 3 easy tips and tricks that you can use to implement in all your designs, and I guarantee you it will make your designs look better. But quickly, before the video starts, I want to make sure that you guys subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the notification bell so you don't miss a new upload. If you enjoy the video, do drop it a like, and without further ado, let's get into the tips. Alright, so tip number 1, it's something I use in my posters all the time. I post on Instagram. What I do with my posters is I use a grid, and usually it's a 2x4 grid, which it's 8 rectangles on the poster. What this will do is it helps you focus on your composition of your posters. When you have a well-organized poster, it looks a lot cleaner, and if you can sort of bend the rules, like you can go outside the poster lines. I usually have 0.25 of an inch for my margins. So the grid, it will help you clean up your design, and overall it will just help you organize it better. And what I found that my posters, they got a lot more consistent when I started using a grid. And if you want, you could even bump that up to like 20, 32. And there's an account on Instagram that has a post where it shows like all sorts of grids that will help you organize your designs. So that's it for tip number 1. Now let's move on to tip number 2. Right, so tip number 2, it's pretty much have a color palette. It will help your design have a lot more consistency. Like, you don't want to have a whole bunch of just colors spilling out everywhere, unless that's what you're going for, which, I mean, you don't really just splash colors on a poster without having a meaning behind it. So you want to have a color palette. Usually my posters, they stick to like brighter colors with always black and white in there somewhere. A good rule of thumb is probably to have black, white, and 2 other colors, whether they be complementary colors or they go along with each other, like a light blue and a darker blue, or like a pink and a sort of brighter purple. You just want to make sure that your colors aren't all over the place so that you have a more well-organized, consistent poster design. So tip number 3, you want to have less text. So I made a poster recently that had a lot of words and wasn't one of my best works, and you know, I had to learn it the hard way. But when you have a lot of text, it kind of just takes the focus away, and it's just like your poster's all over the place. So if you can keep your poster to like 1 or 2 words, or like maybe just a phrase, it really depends on how you set it up. So for example, my poster, I literally just put like 3 lines of text, and it's rather small, so it really didn't look nice in the end. When you put less text and make it bigger, it just makes your poster look a lot cleaner. It gives it more order. You don't want to have a lot of text. Alright guys, that is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button. If you enjoyed the video, give it a like. Thank you so much for watching.